Top headlines for the day.
These days, the Khan brothers Salman and Sohail are super busy promoting their upcoming Eid release Tube Light on various platforms. And their next stop will be Sony TV's special show Super Night with Tube Light. Well, this single episode show will be hosted by Apar Shakti Khurrana. Other than that, Sunil Grover and his team Ali Asgar, Chandan Prabhakar, Sugandha Mishra and Dr. Sanket Bhosle will also be seen doing their most loved Dr. Mashur Gulati act. Not just this, the episode will have Moni Roy's sizzling dance appearance as well. Talking about Tube Light, this Kabir Khan directorial venture starring Salman Khan, Sohail Khan, Om Puri and Chinese actress Zuzu is slated to release this Eid. Coming back to the Super Night with Tube Light, aren't you guys excited to see Lakshman and Bharat on this special single episode show? What's your take on this, guys? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
मराठी फिल्म बघतेस का आणि लेटेस्ट एखादी फिल्म आवडली कुठची मराठीतली?
लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. I haven't recently watched many movies because I've just been a little personally occupied, so I haven't really watched many movies. So I'm sorry I will not be able to belt out latest names for you. Way back in the past I have, but I'm not going to mention those titles because it's really way back in the past. Do I enjoy cinema? Of course, I'm an actor. We all enjoy cinema. So I hope to be able to answer that question on another forum.
Salman Khan is all set to don his dancing shoes next year when he starts working on Remo D'Souza's Dancer Dad film, and we are damn excited about it. Jacqueline Fernandez has left the makers in confusion as she has not confirmed whether she is doing Remo D'Souza's next film featuring Salman Khan or not. Sources said that the actress has given her nod for the film featuring the father-daughter relationship. However, she has not made it clear and said, "Fingers crossed, pray for me." There are also rumors that even Daisy Shaw has been signed for the film. Well, we are still waiting for the confirmation of Jacqueline for this. The movie will be grand in all aspects. Let us see if Jacqueline will feature in the film or not. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about this and subscribe to Bollywood Spy to see our videos in your video feed.
Salman Khan's star Tube Light is one of the highly anticipated films of 2017. Tube Light recently released an emotional song, Tinka Tinka Dil Mera, which struck an emotional chord with all the fans and people are totally loving it. And one other person who also loved the song is Akshay Kumar. Well, Khiladi Kumar is now promoting his film Toilet Ek Prem Katha, and along with this film, Akshay also promoted Salman Khan's Tube Light on Twitter. Akshay took to his Twitter handle and shared the video of Tinka Tinka Dil Mera song and captioned it as, "Hits all the right notes." Salman Khan's Tinka Tinka Dil Mera in Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's soulful voice. When an industry fan says good things about one's film, it just makes us happy, plus it urges us to watch the film. Tube Light has definitely created fan frenzy and we can't wait for June 23rd. What about you guys? Do tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. While Priyanka Chopra is killing in Hollywood, hair fans are dying to see Priyanka in a Bollywood film, who by the way was last seen in Jai Ganga Jal. Though rumor mills are buzzing that Priyanka will star in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Sahir Ludhiavani as the famous poetess Amrita Preetham, we haven't got any confirmation about the same. But now another rumor is making noise that this is Salman Khan who will be seen opposite Priyanka as Sahir Ludhiavani. Well, yes, that's right. Since Sanjay Leela Bhansali has already given a confirmation on Instagram that he will collaborate with Salman Khan after 10 years, it is being said that Sultan Star will essay the role of Sahir Ludhiavani. However, an official confirmation is still awaited. But if this happens, it would be really exciting to see them together. है ना guys? Apart from Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Salman reunion, this will also be Salman and Priyanka's reunion. Anyway, what do you guys have to say about this? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below.
After a month's wait, we have finally got the title of Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer, which is now called Jab Harry Met Sejal. With the revelation of the new title, it was also announced the new release date that has been preponed by a week on 4th of August. Previously, it was clashing with Akshay Kumar's Toilet Ek Prem Katha. But do you know, to avoid clashes, it's usually Shah Rukh Khan who has always gone and requested people to adjust their dates. While talking to a leading portal, Shah Rukh was asked if he had any discussion with Akshay, to which Shah Rukh said that whenever his films have release dates clashing with someone else's, he has gone up to people to ask them if they can change the release date, but mostly people do not agree to it. But luckily this time they got 4th of August and 2 back-to-back holiday weekends. Well, Shah Rukh has definitely hit a bullseye this time. So do you have any thoughts about this? Then do drop your comments below.
Zaira Wasim, who rose to fame after a fantastic performance in Aamir Khan's blockbuster movie Dangal, was miraculously rescued by locals a few days back. Actually, her car, which is a Scorpio Jeep, had fallen into Dal Lake on June 8, but she and the other occupants were removed from the car within minutes. Apparently, the car in which Zaira Wasim was travelling went out of the driver's control on the Boulevard Road. It skidded and fell into Dal Lake. The actress was unhurt, but her friend Arif Ahmed did suffer some injuries. According to the locals, the vehicle was moving at a high speed and the driver lost control over it. People immediately rescued her and her companion. She escaped unhurt, but her companion sustained injuries in the accident. As for now, the National Award winner is good and safe. For more updates, keep watching Bollywood Spy. The star-studded event IFA Awards 2017 is all set to happen in New York this year, where all the Bollywood celebrities would be seen under one roof. This is one of the most prestigious and glamorous events that no one would want to give a miss. In fact, even fans eagerly look forward to see their favorite superstar, especially the king of romance, Shah Rukh Khan. But looks like this year, even this time, King Khan will not attend the event. And do you know what is the reason behind this? Well, let us tell you then. His eldest son Aryan suffered an injury and he needs medical care. Well, that's quite sad, isn't it? Aryan broke his nose while playing football at the school. Hence, the doctors have advised him to undergo surgery. SRK will be travelling abroad for that. It has been scheduled around the same time as the award function, so he will obviously prefer being by his son's side. I am sure all of us would really miss Salman and Shah Rukh together at the event. Hai na guys? Bollywood celebrities getting trolled on social media is quite a customary thing, especially when social media has become a rage. So when Salman Khan was asked about the same, his take on social media was somewhat stringent. The Sultan actor said that he has stopped reading Twitter and also wanted to discontinue it, but thanks to his PR team, they advised against it. Also, talking about the anonymous Twitter users who troll celebrities on Twitter, said that if they were his fans, they would have an identity. Are they so ashamed of who they are that they are hiding behind a nameless face? In fact, Salman even tracked a few of them down but did not reveal their identity as they didn't want to ruin their future. Now, isn't that thoughtful? Well, we really think that this Twitter trolling should stop. I mean, they clearly need to get a life. What say, guys? Anyway, do share your thoughts on this matter in the comment section down below.
मेरा सवाल है कि आप दोनों ने बचपन में कभी किसी की जासूसी किया या रियल लाइफ में आप में जासूसी वाले कोई क्वालिटी हैं?
हाँ है. Actually, what happened is because the film was being made in parts, कभी-कभी I would come to know that नहीं दादा shooting in Film City. So किसके साथ? रणबीर के साथ. मैं नहीं हूँ. मतलब दादा. So I would call Dada, what are you shooting? Or I'd ask one of the 80s, Dada, what are you shooting? So there was for me a lot of jasusi happening on this film because I think both of us wanted to be so much in the film and every frame because he was making it so well. So that was my jasusi on this film.
And Ranbir is the biggest jasus of the industry. कहाँ क्या हो रहा है सब पता है.
ये सब ये चलो चल रे भाई चलना तू चलो भाई चलो प्लीज चलो अरे एक मिनट बच्चा चल निकल सब लोग आजा आजा चल चल धीरे धीरे चलते चल चार सामने से लेना आगे इधर से ले सामने से चलते हुए
ऐश्वर्या हस्बैंड वाइफ की कहानी आपने जैसे प्रोमो में देखा, प्रोमो देखकर आप काफी इमोशनल भी हुई, तो अभिषेक को आप यहाँ पर कितना मिस कर रहे हैं?
आपको मुझसे बस सवाल पूछना ही था मतलब ये मैं क्या बोलूं?
कोई
आधे घंटे में घर जा रही हूँ, मिलेंगे फिर से
अभिषेक के साथ ही कोई अगर आप मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहे, कोई यादें अगर
जुड़ी हो बाबा, जिंदगी में बिता रही हूँ साथ में, अभी यादें तो हर क्षण बन रहा है so 5 minutes it's a lifetime together. Thank you.
ऐश्वर्या हस्बैंड वाइफ की कहानी आपने जैसे प्रोमो में देखा, प्रोमो देखकर आप काफी इमोशनल भी हुई, तो अभिषेक को आप यहाँ पर कितना मिस कर रहे हैं?
आपको मुझसे बस सवाल पूछना ही था मतलब ये मैं क्या बोलूं?
कोई
आधे घंटे में घर जा रही हूँ, मिलेंगे फिर से
अभिषेक के साथ ही कोई अगर आप मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहे, कोई यादें अगर
जुड़ी हो बाबा, जिंदगी में बिता रही हूँ साथ में, अभी यादें तो हर क्षण बन रहा है so 5 minutes it's a lifetime together. Thank you.